Let's return to the case study for the Rumleys and see how the limits affect their use of CPF funds. Shown here is a screen capture of the calculator that can be found on the CPF website. This is a scenario where a resale HDB using a HDB loan was transacted. Only the valuation limit applies. So after you have keyed in the data as shown, right, you simply click on the calculate button. The Rumleys will reach their valuation limit in 17 years and 10 months time. Each must be able to set aside half the prevailing minimum sum before they can continue to use CPF to repay their housing loan. Assuming 17 years and 10 months later, the minimum sum is $400,000. This means that half the prevailing minimum sum will then be $200,000. These are Mr. and Mrs. Rumley's CPF balances at that point of time. As Mr. Rumley has more than $200,000, after totaling his ordinary account, special account, and special account used for investments, he can still continue to use his ordinary account to repay his home loan. As Mrs. Rumley has less than $200,000, after totaling her ordinary account and special account, she cannot continue to use her CPF funds to repay the home loan. Hence, only Mr. Rumley can use his CPF funds to repay his home loan.